Well, hi guys, it's Mary back again from Rocky Mountain Gardens, and today I wanted to participate in the Summer Kitchen Vignette Challenge that is being hosted by Denise Jordan. Hi Denise. What I am going to be doing in my home is gradually adding some patriotic decor to my already sort of lemon theme, as you have seen if you watched some of my other videos. But I love that lemon theme so much, and I really don't want to take it down yet. I want to enjoy it much longer for the summer. And therefore, I am just going to be adding some touches of patriotic decor around my home over the next month, until 4th of July and so on. So I'm going to be moving to a corner of my kitchen that you haven't seen in one of my videos before, because it's kind of a dark corner in my kitchen next to my sink. So let me take my camera and show you that area, and then let's talk about how I'm going to put my summer kitchen vignette together. Now here's that dark corner of my kitchen that I mentioned, and I have my cabinets above. I have my stove to the right, and then on the other side of this corner is my kitchen window and sink. And I normally keep this two-tiered black wire basket in this area because I like to keep my fruits and bananas and so on over here on this stand during the week. And I don't really have a lot of decor out here normally, but today we're going to work on transforming it into a patriotic and a little bit farmhouse looking vignette. So as you can see, I have begun by adding this wooden cutting board that a good friend of mine gave to me for my birthday a couple of years ago. And that is going to be, let's go this way. That is going to be serving as my tray for this vignette. And then we're going to be placing the black wrought iron two-tiered tray onto the cutting board. And I'm going to be adding some greenery to each basket to get started on the design. So as you can see, I just took some long strands of English ivy garland and just kind of wrapped it around in a circular shape and placed it in each of the baskets. So that's what we've done thus far. And the next thing I'm going to be doing on that bottom basket is using this bunch of patriotic flowers to add to the lower basket here and add that punch of patriotic color. I have just taken that bunch of flowers and I placed it into the basket. I kind of pushed it in this way, and I've just moved the flowers around so that they are, looking natural, hopefully. And then look at this. I have this cute little Uncle Sam hat with feathers and a bow, and this is going to sit right up here, right up here on top of the top tray to give more of that lovely red, white, and blue. So there we have our florals, and we have our tray so far, and now we need a sign with words, and we need some animals, and that will complete our challenge. I have this great Stars and Stripes Forever little sign that I have added, and then for my animals I'm going to be using these darling little red cardinals that were also a gift from a good friend, And let's just place them. We'll have to see how we think they will look best. All right, I like the way this looks so far, but I do want to add one more piece to brighten up the space just a little bit. So let me do that next. All right, my vignette is complete. And since I am coming back now, you might notice that I did swap things around a bit. I moved my cow canister over to the left side of the tray, and my Stars and Stripes Forever sign I moved to the right side of the tray, and I think that is much more balanced and looks much nicer. And then if we take a peek around here, you can see I have this Market white enamel tray sitting there, and that one I think adds a little pop of white to the vignette over there on the left, and I just think it really makes it look so much nicer. I'm very pleased with this, and this is just number one in my transformation of my house, getting ready for 4th of July. So guys, there's my summer kitchen vignette, and I hope you enjoyed this quick little video and maybe got a little bit of an idea for some decor for your own home. And I want to thank Denise for hosting this challenge for us. It is always fun, Denise. And I also wanted to say, be sure to look in the description box under my video down below, because there I will put the link to the playlist that Denise will have on her channel. Sorry. And you can click on that link and see the work done by the other creators who are taking part in this challenge. So if you're interested in seeing more and getting more inspiration, check out that playlist, and also check out Denise's channel. It is called This and That with Denise Jordan. Thanks for watching, guys.